In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to switch Gmail accounts on Chrome. This is really handy if you use more than one Google account, whether it's for work, school, or personal email. Instead of constantly signing out and back in, Chrome lets you move between accounts in just a couple of clicks. I'll walk you through exactly how to do it, step by step. First, open Google Chrome and go to Gmail, or really any Google page you like. You can type gmail.com in the address bar, or go to something like Google Drive or even the main Google homepage. It doesn't matter which Google service you start from, as long as you're signed in to at least one account in Chrome. Once the page loads, look toward the very top right corner of the browser window. You should see your Google profile icon there. This might be a small photo if you've added one to your account, or it might just be a colored circle with the first letter of your name inside it. That circle is what you'll click. Go ahead and click on that profile picture or initial. A small drop-down panel will appear. This panel shows the account you're currently using, and underneath it, any other Google accounts that are already signed in on this browser. To switch accounts, simply look through the list and click on the account you want to use. The moment you click it, Chrome will refresh the page using that account. For example, if you are on Gmail, you'll now see the inbox for the account you just selected. The switch is instant, and you don't have to type your password again if you're already signed in. Now, if you don't see the other account you want to use in that list, you'll need to add it once. In the same drop-down panel, look for the option that says Add Another Account. Click that. Chrome will open a new sign-in page where you can enter the email address and password for the other Gmail account you want to use. Follow the usual sign-in steps and complete any verification if Google asks for it. After you've signed in, you'll be taken into that account. From this point on, both accounts will appear in the profile drop-down. Whenever you want to switch, just click your profile icon in the top right, pick the account you need, and you're ready to go. That's all there is to it.